Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dion. We start here with chapstick. This is the Crazy Pro Nation. The crazy because we have fun with our channel. We have fun with our makeup. We do a lot of experiments here. We being me, myself, and I. And hopefully you too who are watching my channel also enjoy playing in your makeup and experimenting with your makeup. The troll because there is no such thing, regardless of what somebody else's standards or expectations of beauty. You're beautiful the way you are inside and out. So here on the Crazy Troll Nation, on this train, we believe in self-acceptance, self-love, enhancing your natural features if you want to, but always, 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 always embracing your natural features and being okay with coming on video with zero face paint on. Look at my face. I know I still look good. I'm 52 and I'm amazing, and so are you. And I want you to know that we are our worst critics. And so that's something I'm working on. And if you're your worst critic, I'm hoping you're working on it too. And if somebody else is your worst critic, kick their behinds off the troll train. I do curse on my channel sometimes. I was about to say something else. I'll show you what else we do here on this channel. I hope all of that resonated with you. I would love to have you subscribe, go through my playlist, like the videos you like, share my videos that you find helpful to you. And I do have a lot of information below. I have some playlists below that I think you may be interested in. I have a few codes below, just like miscellaneous type stuff, and my link tree, which has my other socials and also links to some of the charitable work that I do if you would like to help out with those organizations. Let's get into the video. Okay, I showed a while ago, I will link that video below, of a bunch of stuff that I purchased from E.L.F when they had a sale. And also I have a lot of points on the E.L.F website, and I think I still have like 2,300 something points because last year, 2021, today is May 2nd, 2022, I purchased a lot of stuff for Eclectic Beauty. And so I racked up a whole lot of points, and I'm just like, what am I going to do with these, right? So I purchased some things that caught my eye and also things that I thought would be good for giveaway. And so I will, as I said, link that video below, because what you do not see in this video will be the stuff I'm giving away. And so the rules will be below for that. So what I am going to try, there was a sample 3-piece Putty Primer trio. One is poreless Putty Primer, one is matte Putty Primer, one is Luminous Putty Primer. And yes, Peter Piper did pick a pack of pickled peppers. Yes. And so this was a free gift, and I think I did at least 3 orders. And so I got another one of these sets, and I did open it, and I did try so far the Luminous one, and I liked it. I wasn't able to keep it on long because the look I did that day, I think the mascara irritated my eyes, and so I had to wash my face. And so I don't know how the foundation would have worn over more than like 30 minutes, but I liked how it felt. My skin did not itch, my skin did not break out, which is always great. For those of you who are new here, I have very sensitive skin and I have various allergies, and so it's just like trying something new is always a risk. So I did try the Luminous one. I liked it. I am going to try the matte, and I'm also going to try the poreless one. So this one is here, but this one's going to go in the giveaway box if it fits, because I already have that box already packed up waiting to go. What else I'm going to try from that haul is I'm definitely going to try the Power Grip Primer, because this is supposed to be a dupe for the Milk Hydro Grip Primer, which is my go-to primer. So I'm really wanting to try this, and I think I'm going to do what I saw some other people do when they did half the face with Milk and half their face with this, and then put in their foundation and waited hours and hours and hours and was like, okay, is there a difference? Which side looks better? So I'm excited to try that. I am also going to try the Stay All Day Blue Light Micro Setting Mist Long Lasting Wear. I think the blue light part is a cash grab, but it says lockdown your look with this lightweight makeup setting spray that absorbs blue light infused with skin loving aloe elderflower extract that helps keep makeup looking fresh all day, matte, shine free, blah 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 blah. And so, and they do have a ball thing in here, and it does say shake it before you use it, but you should be shaking your setting sprays anyway, unless it's a continuous mist aerosol. So yeah, I'm excited to try this. Yeah, because I do use setting sprays. Sometimes I just use a facial mist, and not so much as to set my face, except for the milk one, because that one will lock your face in. And sorry that that bug-eyed look crazy, because I seen it and I'm just like, oh God, why did I do that? And so I usually just use a mist if I think, well, not when I think, but when I do overdo it with the powders. And so I'm looking a little dusty, so I'll just spray my face for that. I don't necessarily use setting sprays to set my face, except if I'm going to be wearing a mask and I'm going somewhere and I do want my makeup to stay the same. And for that, the milk one does work well. It works really well. And also, which is not a part of this video, came in a subscription box, Illamasqua Hydra Setting Spray. This one, whew, yeah, it will crack your face. I mean, it locks stuff in so well that if you laugh a lot or you have smile lines and stuff like that, well, for me, it cracked my face. Like, yeah, stuff did not move. It did not leave my skin flexible enough to move. So anyway, back to the e.l.f. stuff that I am going to try. Also, the Big Mood Mega Volume and Lifting Mascara. I've heard a lot about this, so I am going to try that. Something else I'm going to try, and I'm kind of like, I don't know, but the Holy Hydration Daily Cleanser. Because what's the worst that can happen? I put it on and my skin feels dry, and then I just put a ton of moisturizer on my face. As long as it doesn't break me out, it'll be good. So I am going to try this, and I'm also going to try the Holy Hydration Makeup Melting Cleansing Balm. I normally don't use cleansing balms because when I do a full face, I end up still having to use a makeup wipe, which I do put micellar water on it to remove my eye makeup. And so I'm never able to get my eye makeup, mascara, eyeliner off with the cleansing balm. But for days when I just do a base face, I'm gonna try this and see how this works. Base face meaning everything except eye makeup. So I'm excited to try that. And the other two things I'm gonna try are the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Juicy Gloss. Yeah, and I am kind of excited to try the Jelly Pop Luscious Lip Mask that comes with this little scoop. This is so flimsy. Like, if I could break this like right now, but I'm not. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to be gentle with it. But it does have a little scoop. And this says, and I kept the paper, because it says for the Luscious Lip Mask, using the applicator, apply a generous even layer onto clean, dry lips. So the generous layer part has me, because even with chapstick, I don't just... You know what I'm saying? So I'm like, a generous layer, like, I don't, because too much of anything oily or greasy on lips, or even too much chapstick can be like, okay, that's just slimy, it's too much. And so I'm kind of like, I don't know why they say apply a generous amount, but anyway, leave on and reapply when needed, or leave on overnight and wake with hydrated lips. So I am going to try this. So we'll see if this will beat out my chapstick. That's a hard thing, because y'all know I'm a chapstick hoe. So that is it. Oh, I almost forgot. The other thing I'm going to try, because I've seen good things about it on YouTube, is the e.l.f. Earth and Ocean palette. Sorry for the glare. I have not opened it yet. Like, the paper is still like taped over it. But I'm looking at it and it's dusty inside. So that's telling me these shadows are dusty. But I'm looking at it and I sat and thought for a while, like, will I really use these colors? Because I don't prefer me in all cool tone looks, even though I have done a few that I like, but that's because the colors were deeper colors. And so I was looking at it like, will I really use this even if I like it? And looking at it, it does seem to be mostly neutral. These seem cool, but they're darker tones and they're grungy, and I live for a dark eye, grungy eye, smoky eye. These seem to be the coolest shades, but mixed with some of the other tones, well, not this half of the palette, but some of these cooler tones mixed with some of these, I think it might be okay. And so I am going to try this because I am really curious about the formula. back in the day, I used to really enjoy E.L.F eyeshadows. And so I want to try this again. I want to try this and see. And I keep wanting to rub it because it looks dusty. And then I'm like, okay, that's on the inside. So that's kind of weird. But again, it is new because it's still all taped up and packaged. And even trying to open it, like it does not open because this side is still sealed. And so that is it for this video. Look below at the other video so you will see what I'm not using, which will show you what will be in the giveaway. And I would show you, but like I said, it's already packed up, boxed up, everything is ready to go. And all the details will be below. I will say this is subscriber appreciation, meaning you have to be subscribed before this video is uploaded. And leave whatever kind of comment, and also include in your comment what is your favorite E.L.F product, or which E.L.F product you're most excited to try. So that'll be your eligibility comment. And yeah, other information will be below. So you will see me in the next video. Thank you for being here. And yeah, that's it. Thanks.